Are you still sitting on PLR courses and ebooks that never turn into a real business? You have everything ready, but no proper platform. Weeks pass, motivation fades, and your digital academy never launches. Welcome to my channel. Here's a quick breakdown of Digital Academy Fortune, what you get inside, and how it helps you launch faster. Let's dive in. Revolutionary course platforms for smart authority. Driven profits. Launch your own digital academy instantly with our done-for-you solution. Skip the guesswork and jump straight into results with a structured platform, online courses, and ebooks ready to sell. No tech headaches, no product creation, just a smart system built for you. 3 simple steps to launch your own academy with Digital Academy Fortune. Step 1. Effortlessly. Set up your Digital Academy website in minutes. With just a few clicks, you can have your complete Digital Academy website live on WordPress with ready-to-sell courses, ebooks, and products. The included backup file makes setup simple. Even beginners can launch a fully functional, ready-to-use site without touching any code or design settings. Step 2. Connect your payment method and start selling. Connect your preferred payment gateway such as PayPal or Stripe through WooCommerce. Once connected, your academy is ready to accept payments for courses and ebooks immediately, with no coding or complex configuration required. Step 3. Share value, build trust, and monetize. Naturally, use the included promotional materials and training to start driving traffic. Whether you're sharing with your existing audience or marketing to new customers, your digital academy is built to engage and expand. Effortlessly launch a high-value digital academy without any design skills or technical setup. Building a professional platform with online learning function used to require complex course systems, page builders, content creation, and weeks of setup. Not anymore. Digital Academy Fortune gives you everything you need to launch a polished, authority-driven digital academy in minutes, complete with a done-for-you design, ready-to-sell courses and ebooks, built-in student access, and a structured sales flow that works right out of the box. Let me ask you a quick question. Are you building a profitable digital business you can be proud of in 2026? Or are you still sitting on PLR products that never really go anywhere? You have the courses, you have the ebooks, you have put in the effort, but turning PLR into something that feels like a real business is harder than it should be. Not because PLR does not work, but because most people never get past the setup stage. You buy another pack. You tell yourself this one will be different. Then it sits unused while you figure out where to host it, how to sell it, and how to make it look professional. Weeks pass. Motivation fades. And the business you wanted to build in 2026 still feels unfinished. You are not lazy. You are not doing anything wrong. You are just missing the one thing PLR never gives you: a proper platform. Without a clean, structured, professional academy, PLR stays as files on your computer instead of a business you can confidently show and sell. Launch your own digital academy instantly with our done-for-you solution. Skip the guesswork and jump straight into results. Click the link in the description and get started today.